Solve the following simultaneous equation. So this is considered very straightforward questions. All the equation given to you nicely. You don't have to form the equation yourself. So each equation consists of three variables. What we need to do is to change the three variable, become two variable, then become one variable, and we will be able to get the answer easily. So you can use substitution method or elimination method, totally up to you. So I would suggest you to first use your calculator to check the answer first. So press menu and then go for equation, simultaneous equation, three variable. Key in all this to -1, -1, 6. Okay, and the coefficient for the second equation, 1, 2, -4, 8. Okay, do the same thing for the third equation. 3, 1, -1, and 2. Okay, and then write down all the answers given by your calculator. Write down somewhere around here so that when you get your first answer, compare your answer with the answer that you got from calculator. If it is correct, then you just proceed to find the answer for the second variable and the third variable. If it is incorrect, you need to redo it again. Okay, 2 over 5, and then -11 over 5 and -3. Okay, so first, here I'm going to use elimination method. So you can use substitution method. If you do it correctly, we will get exactly the same answer. So it's totally up to you. Let's say now I'm going to use elimination method. You want to eliminate any variable. You can choose your own variable that you want to eliminate. So here I'm going to eliminate R first. So let me copy down the three equation for you first. 2p minus q minus r is equal to 6. Let this one be the first equation. And p plus 2q minus 4r is equal to 8. Second equation, and the third equation will be 3p plus q minus r is equal to 2. This is the third equation. Okay, so now I'm going to eliminate the variable of r. I'm going to use the first equation and the third equation to help me to eliminate the variable of r first. 3p plus q minus r is equal to 2. This is the third equation. Now, how do I get rid of this variable of r? So I'm going to use minus, right? You can take the first equation minus the third equation, or go another way. You will still be able to eliminate the variable of r. So let me take the first equation minus the third equation. Okay, 2 minus 3, you will get -1, which means -1p. You don't have to write -1p, you just write -p. Okay, -1 minus +1, you get -2. Don't forget to write the q. -r minus -r, you get -r plus r, which will give you 0. So we have successfully eliminated this variable of r. So 6 minus 2, you get 4. 1, 2, 3, and let this one be the fourth equation. Okay, so I need another equation which also consists the variable of p and q as well. So this time I'm going to use the first equation and the second equation to help me to form another equation. 2p minus q minus r is equal to 6. This is the first equation. Okay, but you notice that this is -r. This is -4r, right? So difference. So now I'm unable to eliminate the variable of r. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the first equation times 4. Why? Because I want to change this become 4r. So every single term here will multiply by 4. So this is 8p minus 4q minus 4r is equal to 24. Okay, Then let me copy this one again. Now I can eliminate the R easily. So still the same thing, I'm going to take the fifth equation minus the second equation. Eight minus 1, 7. Negative 4 minus positive 2, you will get negative 6. So this becomes 0. And here you will get 16. Okay, now this is PQ, PQ. Now we can use two of them to help me to get the equation with only one variable. So, but still the same thing. Now this is negative, this is 1, this is 2, this is 7, this is 6, different. So what I'm going to do, I'm planning to eliminate the variable of q, so I'm going to change the 2 become 6. So how to do that? I take the fourth equation times 3, so that I will be able to get 6q. So for fourth equation times 3, negative 3p minus 6q and 12. Let this one be the 7th equation. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Okay, now I can eliminate the q easily. So what should I do? This is negative 6q, this is negative 6q. Same sign, I'm going to use minus. So 6 minus 7. So 7 minus negative 3. If the number here are large, you will calculate wrongly. You always can use your calculator to help you to calculate. Let me show you. Now, what do we need to do? Just press 7 because you use minus, right? So you have to key in minus and then negative 3 equal to 10. Okay, this is 10p. And here you will get 0, which we have successfully eliminated the variable of q. And this we will get 4. Now p is equal to 4 over 10. And we simplify them, it will become 2 over 5. Once you get the first answer, check with the answer that you got from your calculator. If it is correct, then you go ahead to find the answer for the second variable and the third variable. If this answer is incorrect, you need to redo it again. Okay. Now, once we get the first answer, it's very easy for us to get the second answer, the answer for the second variable and the answer for the third variable. Okay, p is equal to 2 over 5. So I am going to take this value, substitute it into fourth equation. Substitute p is equal to 2 over 5 into the fourth equation. So I'm going to copy everything here. Just change the p become 2 over 5. Negative 2 over 5 plus, minus negative q is equal to 4. Okay, so negative 2q is equal to 4 plus 2 over 5. This you can press your calculator, which is 22 over 5, right? Okay, so q is equal to 22 over 5 divided by negative 2, which means time negative 1 over 2. This will give you negative 11 over 5. Is this correct? Okay, correct. Now, let me use the value of p and q to help me to find the answer for the last variable. Okay. Substitute p equal to 2 over 5, q equal to negative 11 over 5 into, let me use the first equation, 2p minus q minus r is equal to 6. Okay, this will give you 4 over 5 plus 11 over 5 minus r is equal to 6. 4 plus 11, you will get 15 over 5, which is actually equal to 3. So negative r is equal to 6 minus 3, which is equal to 3, and r is equal to negative 3. Okay, so this is a way how we solve this type of question. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.